Hi everyone, this is Bobby in Dify. Welcome to this course on Dify Workflows. In this course, I will show you how to understand and build workflows in Dify step by step, from the basic ideas to more advanced use cases. This course is designed for a general audience. You don't need a technical background, you don't need programming experience. If you want a clear and structured way to learn how workflows work in Dify, this course is for you. Dify workflows are very powerful, absolutely, but for many beginners, the official documents can feel overwhelming. The goal of this course is to help you understand how everything fits together without feeling lost. Before we look at any specific node, let me quickly show you how this course is structured. The course is divided into 3 phases, and in each phase, we go through a small group of workflow nodes, starting from simpler ones and gradually moving to some more complex ones. After introducing these nodes, we use a concrete example to show how they work together in a real workflow. So, in the first phase, we will start with the most basic nodes. You will learn what a workflow is and what each basic node does, and also how data flows from input to output. In the second phase, we introduce more advanced nodes, especially those nodes used for documents and also practical real-world scenarios. Again, we end the phase with an example that connects everything together. And in the third phase, we focus on more complex nodes and advanced workflow design, including some logic control and automation. So this phase also ends with a larger example that brings multiple concepts together. And each lesson focuses on just one concept or one node. So don't be afraid of it. You don't need to remember everything. The goal is to understand what each node does and what it makes sense to use it. In the next lesson, we will start with a very basic question. What is workflow in Dify and why does it exist? I will see you in the next video.